So in today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to create your account, that's your creator's account with Vtru Studio. So if you want to be able to upload your artworks, if you want to be able to upload your video files, maybe you're into 3D animations and want to upload stuff like that on the Vtru Studio, this is the video to watch to know how to create your account. So first of all, I go to login. And then I have to put in my email. So I'm going to put in just this email I created for this purpose. So this is Vitruveo Simplified at gmail.com and sign in. So now they're going to send a code to my email. So I'm just going to go here to my mail and then I pick out the code 488428. So I'll put that in. 488428, and it automatically confirms the OTP and takes me to where I have to create my username. That's putting my username and then connect my wallets and also my socials. So I'm going to come here and then I'll put in my username as Vitruveo Simplified. Oh, yep. And then I have to upload the profile picture. It should not be more than 800 kilobytes, I mean. So I come here and then I upload. I already have my picture saved on my desktop. So I'll just pick it out from there and this is it. And then I have to connect my wallet. And if I click on add button and I go to MetaMask, now it shows me this to scan my wallets. And if I click on get MetaMask, then it's making it look as if I don't already have MetaMask in my system, even though I do have MetaMask, like you can see it here. So already having access to the site is in my system. So what you have to do when you encounter this issue is that you don't need to click on add to Chrome or get the app. This wouldn't work. It will just make it more tedious for you. Just close everything and then start afresh. Now I can just say save, and then it takes me to where I can consign my work. But please don't start consigning yet until you're done with your setting up your profile. So what I will do is that I will just shut down everything, log out. If I'd even close the entire system, let me just shut down everything and then come back up again. So the next video, that's in the next few seconds, you will see me come back in, but is that I've closed everything and I've come back in. So let me do that. Okay, so I'm back in and then I'm going to click on this again and say studio.vitruveo.xyz. And back in, log in, and then I put in this again, sign in. It's going to send me the code again. So let me just go into my Gmail and get the new code it sent. 381622. So it's 381622. Okay, so I have to complete my profile before I start consigning. So I go back again, click on my profile, user setting, and then I go to connect wallets and I click on MetaMask, and this time around, voila, it works. So this is just a glitch I realize it just happens every time you create for the first time. That's that MetaMask glitch. So it doesn't need to happen again. So I'm going to put in my password and then I will have access to my MetaMask. I'm connecting for the first time to Vitruveo. So it's going to have to create a Vitruveo account with MetaMask. So even though I already created this particular account and I named it Vitruveo Simplified, but it's still on the IT. Look at it, it's still on the IT network. So I needed to create one that is a Vtru network. So when I say next, it will automatically ask me permission to create one that is going to be the Vitruveo network. So you can see that it's now moving from Ethereum and connecting to a new network, which is the Vitruveo network. So when I say switch network, it will switch and also create the Vitruveo network. So you don't need to go into import the Vitruveo network yourself. Yes, there's a manual way to do that, but rather than do all that, you just have to just connect it and it is going to create it automatically. So I'll confirm. And this is it here. So it's now created. I have my Vitruveo network with me on this site. So it's going to be set to my default. You can click here to finally say, yes, this is my default wallet. So what it means is that you can have many more wallets and select one as your default wallet option for when you are creating your art pieces and when you're being paid, where the money is going into. And so that's what it does. Yeah, you can create more wallets. You can have more wallets here And after that, you can also connect your social, your X, but I don't want to do that currently at the moment since my X is already connected to my initial Vitruveo account. So I don't want to do clash of X account, if you understand what I mean. Though I don't think that's also going to be an issue, but you can just do that yourself. So you can click here to connect your X account, and yeah, that's it. So after that, I click on save, and I am now ready to start consigning my new assets. That's my new works. So yeah, so watch the next video where I'll be showing you how to go through the process. A tedious, long process, but very, very much fulfilling, because it's really something that's really going to change the game when it comes to having artworks on the blockchain, because of there's a whole lot of metadata to do. So that will be in my next video where I will guide you through how to consign a new work, how to consign your art pieces to the Vtru studio, and you go through, I'll guide you through all the metadata, everything you have to put in. And yeah, so let's see in the next video.